Yeah, guys, watching at the XRP price, you can see support resistance here, support, and then resistance here. Now it's losing support here, which is not a good thing right now, looking at the XRP price. So we can see that XRP price has been following very well our price targets right here. So this funny wedge you see right here was following very beautifully here, broke out, then made a bull flag right here, boom, and then made the target around here, around this 91 cents, and then pull back. And as you can see right here, the XRP price is losing support on this price level right here, and at the same time it looks like it's invalidating also this falling wedge pattern, because the bullish price target for this bullish falling wedge pattern will be all the way up here on this $1.33. But right now, and looking at the circumstances right here about the Shemitah and the different geopolitical events, this is what's happening right now for the XRP price. I'm gonna delete this very quickly so I can update you guys. It's been some time right now since I haven't done an XRP video right here, so that's why I'm updating you guys right here with this. So as you can see right here, guys, this XRP price target right here, we see that the XRP price is losing support right here, which is not a good thing, because obviously right here it has lost the horizontal support, this green line, and also around this level. This will be strong support here around this 51 cents here, horizontal support right here. This will be strong support right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put that line over there so you can see it will be there. This will be strong support. Okay, and if the XRP price can't hold that, that would be very bad. Just there's no other way to say it would be very bad. So but still, these are very good buying targets if you believe XRP in the long term, which is a very fundamentally friendly and very innovative cryptocurrency. If you do your research, it's a very good one. This is eventually going to it's just increasing its price by more than 100. Okay, this is not financial advice, but that's my opinion. But this cryptocurrency is one of the elite secret society cryptocurrencies in which they are investing in. So yeah, right now we can see that the XRP price has, let's see if there's a pattern right here we can use here. So looking at the XRP price here in the daily time frame right now, from what I'm seeing here, let's see if there's a pattern right here. It would be this here, and then from here, let's see, this can let's see, so as you can see right here, the XRP price was following this rising wedge pattern right here, support resistance, and then you see here resistance and broke out, and then the price target for this falling wedge, for this rising wedge, will be all the way down here around this 62 cent range. And as you can see, support here, resistance, support, resistance, support, 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 resistance, support. As you can see, the more times you touch that support, the more likely it is to break, the same as the resistance. Boom, broke out to the downside, and then the target has been met exactly right here. There will be a percentage gain if you traded this. I mentioned this, I think, on my Twitter page, but in this, it has been a while since I haven't updated this XRP price. 28% for this pattern right here, which is a very good trade right there if you did that. And yeah, since that has been met already, I'm gonna just put the new one right here. So this looks like a descending rounding wedge, kind of like see support. This is support, resistance there. The most likely support around here, around this 53 cents range, around this level. And at the same time, you have this pink line I also drew before, which will also be a very strong support on the horizontal range. And if the and if the XRP price can break out of this descending rounding wedge, then the price target will be like this. Wait a second, there. This will be the price target around here, around this 90 cents range. Okay, this is the more likely scenario if it breaks this resistance around here. Okay, right now you can do this, boom, and maybe do this and then head to the upside, but for the moment straight just to the downside. Usually you don't see that much red candles like that on the XRP price. Usually you don't see them like that, almost like wow, very consistent. Like you have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 12 red days. Like that almost never happens, literally. Like oh my gosh. And right now the more likely scenario is for this XRP price to have a bounce, and if it's going to continue going to the downside, it's gonna get rejected around the 66 cent range around here, and then continue going lower if it's going to do that. Okay, but looking at these 12 days in a row, the most likely will bounce. Okay, because just because you see a bearish condition to the downside, you don't go straight like this. Okay, you usually go like down, up, more down, up, more down, like that. That's how you usually go. That's how it usually goes. So that's what I'm seeing right now in the XRP price. And looking at the simple moving averages, it's just yeah, just no, below all of the simple moving averages, which is a bearish thing. But this is, personally, I like this because this just brings me more time to accumulate XRP. And I know that where the price for this cryptocurrency is going, so I really am grateful for this price targets I'm seeing right here. Like I'm very grateful for this because it's just more time for me to pack, to invest, for then take profits when it finally decides to pump. And definitely will not take 5 years. Okay, I see this around 1 to 2 years having a huge pump. Okay, just to be very conservative, in my opinion. It's not financial advice, but looking at the XRP price, as long as it still has this resistance, this will just keep going into consolidation to the downside. So right here, the very, very strong resistance, as soon as this resistance breaks around this, let's see, 78 cents range right here, this would be very good for the XRP price for continuation to the upside. And support has been broken right here, which is not a good thing. Okay, it's not a good thing because the support goes all the way from here, from December 30, 2020. Like, wow. And then support here, January 22, 2022, and then January 24, 2022. Oh my gosh, those numbers. And right now you can see that the XRP tried to hold support there, didn't, and now most likely it's gonna retest this support as resistance, and if it can break this resistance, then confirm this as support on the 66 cent range, and then break out of this resistance, and then start going to the upside. Okay, but right now just keep it accumulating if you believe in XRP. If you don't believe in XRP, it's okay. I already did my research. I know where this is going. So this is an secret society cryptocurrency is gonna pump to the upside. This is the next financial system in regards of the payment network itself. This will be the Web 3.0 of that payment system, the XRP cryptocurrency. I already saw the documents. That would be very good. Maybe I'm going to release that evidence later on, but right now, since this is the technical analysis, I'm just speaking here. But in summary, the XRP price is gonna just pump to the upside, and yeah, right now, even if the price is going down, doesn't mean the business is not going good for the XRP price. Okay, price doesn't always resemble the true value of the business itself, so that's why the price doesn't bother me. And right now, I'm very happy that this is happening. More time to accumulate. I really don't mind that at all, and I really enjoy this. I'm gonna keep accumulating. I know that eventually it's gonna break this resistance right there, and eventually go to the upside. Test this golden pocket around this $2.20 range, around here $2.18 range, and then after that, after it finally holds that support, just go to the upside, as I mentioned in my previous XRP and price targets I'm seeing right here, and potentially even heading to this $25 range. But the most conservative will be this $13 range. So yeah, guys, right here, this is what I'm seeing the XRP price. If you believe in the XRP price, just keep accumulating, just ignore the price, okay? Because when it wants to pump, it will pump very hard, just like it did here on the final stages of the bull run right here for the XRP price here, and then the same would be here. Maybe it can do this, maybe, okay, but eventually it will do that move because of the fundamentals and because of the research, and because of the evidence and research I have about the cryptocurrency. So yeah, guys, this is what I'm seeing for the XRP price. In summary, strong supports most likely. Right now it's heading most likely to this support around this 51 cents range right here, because it lost support right here, so watch out. This around 53 cents range and this 51 cents range, that would be very strong support, and if that doesn't hold, that would be not good for the XRP price. Most likely retest this support or some of those support levels around here, but it's okay. This is not going to zero. This is part of the next payment system, literally the update of the payment system. This will be used by central banks. It is used by some of those central banks. Also, it is used by some of the banks in the United States. Yeah, this is a very big project. It's very good to see that it still has that opportunity to invest even with those really bullish fundamentals. That shows that this is gonna explode eventually. Okay, it doesn't have to happen tomorrow, but eventually will happen. How much? I would say 1 to 2 years, so we see at least a big pump right here, at least to $5, at least 1 to 2 years from now. Remember, that's my opinion. It's not a financial advice, but yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now in the XRP price. And right now, this is about to get invalidated, this falling wedge pattern right here. If it breaks lower than 55 cents, then this falling wedge pattern will be invalidated right there. So guys, that's what I'm seeing right now in the XRP price. Still, the price is all the way up around this $1.33 range using this falling wedge pattern. Broke out, still it's hovering, consolidating, and then you have this descending Brandy wedge right here. Boom, like this, and then start going to the upside. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing right now in the XRP price, guys. And yeah, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoyed this YouTube video, guys, I would really appreciate if you can leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with friends. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also, guys, click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my Bitcoin, XRP, and other cryptocurrency technical analysis videos. And also, guys, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite, a VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buy opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also, live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets, and more. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.